Situated on the eastern border of Iowa, just a stone's throw away from the Mississippi River, stands a destination unlike any other. The Iowa 80 truck stop, now recognized as the world's largest truck stop, established its roots in this spot back in 1964. Over the years, it has become a haven for drivers and a sought-after destination for travelers of all kinds. Some describe the Iowa 80 truck stop as a bustling hub, just like a small city, while others liken it to a Disneyland for truckers. We decided to take you along to uncover what is there to do at the world's largest truck stop.
Hey, welcome back to LoveNesters. We are at the world's largest truck stop in Iowa.
And it's not just for truckers. Follow us today as we show you what there is to do inside the world's largest truck stop.
And we are inside one of the world's largest trucks right now.
This is incredible. They have it down in the area where the truckers shop. There's a truck on display and we're right in it.
Thanks for being here.
One of the many things you can do when visiting the Iowa 80 truck stop is to go into the Iowa 80 Trucking Museum. It houses the collection of Bill Moon, the founder of the Iowa 80 truck stop. Within its walls, visitors encounter a treasure trove of rare and one-of-a-kind trucks, some dating back as far as 1910.
Look at the size of this place. Who doesn't like trucks? Hey, here's a fun fact. The Walker electric truck was manufactured from 1906 to 1942 out of Chicago, Illinois. The oldest American truck ever made is right here. You're looking at it. Big old 2-cylinder gas engine, top speed 10 miles per hour.
Look at that, it's a Coca-Cola truck. I never knew they were yellow. Oh my goodness, makes you thirsty.
Oh, look at this. I think that would be the color I would go with right there. Dear, you can get me this right here. This monster truck had a small inline 6-cylinder. Jeeps are very long-lasting vehicles. They're known to last up to 70,000 miles. If you're a Jeep owner, please make a comment if your Jeep made it past 70,000. That's senior citizen status in the Jeep world.
Top speed was 15 to 20 miles an hour. This was made out of stainless steel. Isn't that pretty? Probably hard to keep it clean. This is a 1946 Bumblebee, Studebaker, and stock trailer. Didn't recognize it as a Studebaker right away, but there it is right there, the Studebaker branding. Just rows and rows of beautiful trucks in here.
I'll take it. Is that robin egg blue? And here's a fun fact. Ford used to make snowmobiles, and here it is right here in Iowa. The 1930 Ford Model A snowmobile.
It was actually discovered 2 blocks from Microsoft's headquarters in Redmond, Washington. And when they found it, it's believed to be one of the earliest ones known to still exist. Oh my goodness, there is another pole barn full of vehicles in here. This is the only American-made one known to exist. They were first imported in 1908 and started to be assembled in the U.S. in 1909. 1941 International KB7 has a 380 Cummins engine in it. And this is a Harvey from 1922. Look at the hood ornament on that. Love it. This is a 1978 Bandag Bandit. Set a world land speed record for trucks in 1988. 150.918 miles per hour. It's known as Hanks Highway Hilton. This truck has traveled 1,590,406 miles. Holy buckets. I would love to go in there. So while this is a free museum, it does have limited hours and days that it is open. It is not open every day of the week. We'll have a link in the description to their website. Do check their hours before making a trek out here to make sure you're visiting on a day that they are open.
Okay, now we're getting into the big boys. We have a lot of Macs here.
Hey, welcome back to LoveNesters. We are in Iowa at the world's largest truck stop, visiting the Truck Museum.
There are so many things to do at this place, and one of them is a free truck museum. You are allowed to come in here for free. The big thing is you can't climb on them, you can't honk the horns.
But it's a great place to see the history of trucking.
You could easily spend an hour here.
Thanks for being here.
Wow. This is as big as a Bucky's, or bigger. This is huge. And there are 3 floors in here. The Super Truck Showroom not only has everything you need for your truck, but a lot of what you might want as well. This space is 30,000 square feet. It's so big that the 2 trucks on display seem to fit right in. This truck is aptly named America the Beautiful. Wow, all kinds of things to make it fancy. Yeah, we could rig out the CRV, honey. I kind of like those flower lights. How do you test the horns? Oh! Who knew there was so much stuff for a truck? These are your shift knobs. Look at all these custom hood ornaments you can get. I'm telling ya, the CRV needs one of these. They're open 24 hours. Maybe we should just sleep here.
We got a trucker. No.
I'm not driving. Get out of here, sir. Oh, hi there. Get in here. Come on in, sir. You're way high up in here.
Ooh. Welcome to the world's largest truck stop right here in Iowa.
They let us in one of the great big trucks in the showroom. It's open to the public. You just gotta head on back to where all the trucker toys are.
Oh, it's a fun place to visit.
Thanks for being here.
Thanks for being here.
So one of the things they have are a lot of restaurants. So Caribou Coffee, Einstein Bagels. Feels like you're in a shopping mall. Got your DQ, Orange Julius. There are 8 restaurants inside the truck stop, from popular chains like Taco Bell and Wendy's to the Iowa 80 Kitchen. The Iowa 80 Kitchen is a 300-seat full-service restaurant. It's open 24/7 with breakfast always available. Their all-you-can-eat buffet is quite popular.
We got a salad.
I know. We're at the truck stop, and they do have healthy options, so I went with just your basic dinner salad. And it's good. Everything's fresh.
Nice and fresh.
They recommended meatloaf, so we are going to give her a try.
The gravy looks so good.
Very hot. But very good. Thank you, Portia, for recommending it.
The top floor is filled with driver's amenities and contains the services that someone traveling for a living would need. Oh my goodness, there's even a chiropractor in here. Oh my gosh, they even have a dentist here. Oh wow, there's even a fitness center. Oh my gosh. They've thought of everything. They have a Bible study and church service area. For a fee, you can take a shower. Towels are included. We're too late to get an adjustment, but if you're here at the right time, you can. The upper level contains 2 movie theaters. You can select from a huge list of DVDs to have them played on the big screen at no cost. Well, this is their library. If you want to sit up here and read and relax, this is a quieter area, and they do have free Wi-Fi. But they also have these massage chairs, and we are going to check them out. Is it doing your legs?
Oh, my back is feeling so much punch in the back. Whoa.
Another great way to pass the time in the world's largest truck stop is to search for that perfect gift or souvenir. The gift shop has a treasure trove of unique finds. You could really get all of your shopping done here. Oh my goodness. LoveNesters hoodies are cheaper. Just saying. I think we counted at least 7 vehicles in this building.
You name it, they have it. You can buy it here. Boots, hats,
I think you need boots.
belt buckles.
They There are all kinds of photo ops here at the I-80 truck stop. If you're enjoying our videos, give it a thumbs up. Thanks for being here. Golf balls included. You can also pass the time here playing Pac-Man or a couple of other games. The last section we checked out resembled a giant convenience store. It's filled with many grab-and-go snacks and any type of beverage you can imagine. That's for coffee?
There you go.
Oh my gosh. You need a big cup holder for that. Look at that. That's the biggest piece of beef jerky I've ever seen.
We survived the world's largest truck stop in Iowa.
Lots of things to do in there. Movie theaters and barbers and chiropractors and lots to eat.
Back massage.
Thanks for joining us on another weekly adventure.
Thanks for being here.